Welcome to LifeRaft. This is the selection screen. From here, choose the person you want to review. This can be yourself, someone you care for, or someone who shared their LifeRaft with you. If you've been invited to look at someone's LifeRaft account, click here to see the information that they've shared with you. When viewing their data, you may add comments and send a message to them, but not change their data. If you're managing an account or select your own LifeRaft, you have full access to the LifeRaft tools and can add, edit and share the information. Clicking here allows you to move to other areas of the system for the person you are viewing. You can explore and add information to any of the areas at your leisure. Additional help is available by clicking on the question mark icon at the top of each page. We have additional help, video tutorials, as well as top tips, such as setting up dictation. Sharing information is a key feature of your account, so we suggest watching the Sharing video tutorial from the Contacts area to learn more. To replay this video, select it from the Help menu area.